Predictive maintenance is changing how we think about engineering. Instead of waiting for things to break, we can now predict and prevent failures. This is a big deal. It means less downtime, lower costs, and improved safety. In the past, we relied on scheduled maintenance. We fixed things on a schedule, whether they needed it or not. This was often wasteful and sometimes ineffective. Predictive maintenance is different. It uses data and artificial intelligence to identify potential problems before they occur. This allows us to fix things only when they need it. AI is like a crystal ball for engineers. It helps us see the future and make better decisions about maintenance. AI uses machine learning to predict engineering failures. Think of machine learning as teaching a computer to learn from data. We feed the AI massive amounts of information about past failures. This data includes things like sensor readings, maintenance logs, and environmental conditions. The AI analyzes this data and looks for patterns. It learns what factors typically lead to failures. Once it understands these patterns, it can start making predictions about the future. Imagine the AI is learning to predict when a car engine will fail. It might find that engines with high mileage, low oil pressure, and strange noises are more likely to break down soon. Data is crucial for predictive maintenance. The more data we have, the better our predictions will be. Several types of data are used in predictive maintenance. Sensor data. Sensors are like the eyes and ears of machines. They collect information about temperature, pressure, vibration, and more. Maintenance logs. These records tell us about past repairs, replacements, and inspections. Environmental data, weather conditions, humidity, and temperature can all impact equipment performance. Operational data. This data shows how the equipment is being used, how often it's running, and at what capacity. All this data is like a gold mine for AI. It helps the AI understand how equipment behaves over time and what factors might lead to problems. Section 4. Analyzing data. How AI learns from information. Once we have